your PE today. Yeah, if you're ready. Today we will practice and learn about athletic basic long jumping. Okay, who know how to do long jumping? Everyone know how to do it? Raise your hands. Okay, if you don't know, now I will teach you how to do the basic long jumping. Are you ready for practicing today? Okay, now I will teach you how to do basic long jumping. Okay, first stand straight. After that, little bit knee down. Yeah, prepare your hand for you to swing your body to the front. Remember, jumping go to the front, not go up, not like this. Yeah, okay, not like this. Okay, but like this. Stand. Knee down, swing your arm to the back. After that, jump. Like that. Easy, right? Okay, let's repeat again. Okay, just do it one time, but use your power and energy. Okay, are you ready? Let's repeat again. Prepare yourself. Stand properly, open your leg, knee down, swing your arm to the back. After that, swing your arm and jumping. Okay, you can do it. Okay, now let's practice by yourself. Okay, today you already learn basic long jumping. You can do it at home. I hope you can do it properly. Yeah, you must practice basic long jumping with proper technique. Yeah. Okay, for today is enough. You can practice at home and stay healthy. Don't forget, before you do the activity, always warming up. And after activity, you do the cooling down. Okay? Okay, for today, enough. See you next week and next video. Goodbye.